So we're about a year from opening now, and Bridgewater is an absolute hive of activity. We're a full bore construction site. That's why I'm wearing a high vis, and I've got a hard hat on as well. What excites me most, what I feel most passionate about, it really is the epicentre of the garden, the walled garden itself, because we're going to achieve so much within that space. We've got areas all around the periphery of the inner walled garden, which are about community engagement, which are about getting people hands-on and involved with gardening. We want to change as many lives, to improve as many people's lives as possible through the power of horticulture, through the power of gardening. And anyone who donates to Bridgewater will be helping us to achieve this aim.